Hello everyone, I would like to showcase something very interesting. This is to do with Netcat on Mac, which may not work for some users, so I shall showcase this. So I'm going to open up a new terminal. I'm just going to drag it over here to my other window. I have a new terminal window open. I'm going to run the Metasploit console, Metasploit Framework console, and I'll showcase this module, which you can use as a replacement for Netcat itself, because demonstrating this like this, so this is the issue that most users have with Netcat on Mac, especially when they are doing pen tests and other hacking related topics. We tend to use Netcat for LMVP 4444 or any port number specific to gain a reverse connection from a particular type of vulnerability as a reverse shell. So this may not work in some cases on Mac, but I'm just going to demonstrate this to you. So if I do 192.168.192.44.44, as you can see, a connection received, so I can type in hello and hi. So we are receiving the responses. But there's a main problem with Netcat on Mac sometimes is that when I'm doing a lot of pen testing, I tend to get errors. I tend to, especially when I do a file upload vulnerability attack or a command injection attack, and I'm running a Netcat listener like this, it doesn't work. It doesn't always work. So the way that I resolve this, the way that some people may resolve this, is to use what Metasploit offers you. So I'm going to use a multi-handler function. So as you guys can see here, I'm using a multi-handler function. So the way that I solve this issue is by using a payload module, which is called the command Unix reverse netcat. That is the multi-handler function with the payload type you want to use to solve this netcat issue. And the way that we do this is that we set the same values as we did before, the same address and port number, and we've run the multi-handler function. As you can see, we've got prompted if we wanted to run it on outside network, and now as soon as we connect to this, we should get an echo to demonstrate it that it's working. As you can see, we've just received an echo, and you'll see that the shell connection will fail, as we see here, because it's not valid, but as you can see, the command shell worked. So that is how you solve the Netcat issue that may not work on Mac. So if you just have a multi-handler function, if you just use the Metasploit Framework console, you'll be good to go. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.